My name is Chires Kevine from Agahozo-Shalom Youth Village. This is the best school that I ever enjoyed. It provides a very good education where you find everything is fun and good. So this is an education fair where we meet with different universities that help us to choose what we will focus on after high school. So UNILAK is also here, and I'm very happy to see it because I didn't know that they have some courses that are related with SYV, Agahozo-Shalom Youth Village. They have business, computer, and also we deal with business, how we can provide innovation and creativity in our business. And also computer, we deal with computer softwares. I was grateful for this because I can relate with what I study. It's my choice to choose UNILAK, all others universities, but we are very grateful for them, for their time they took to come here and inspire us.
This is equipping us with first-hand information about university and everything this university looks for when they're selecting the potential candidates. And also we're happy that this also tell us about the world outside, because we cannot get outside, but we can get to know about the world outside through this education fair.
Education fair, it provides us how we can learn to the life outside of the school, and it also helps us to learn how the life will be, what we can continue to study related with what we studied.
This is also to help us get to connect with people who work in this university, so that by the time we get outside of Agahozo, we are able to know who do we talk to about what. So if I get to come here and connect with somebody from UNILAK, then it is going to be a little bit easier for me when I get outside of Agahozo and I want to go to UNILAK. I would then contact that person and say, hey, I wanted to come to UNILAK, can you help me? And this is going to be a little bit easier for me. And I will also thank people who have taken their time to come and introduce to us this amazing opportunity that are available for us.
And I'm really happy for these opportunities, because it's not only the opportunities, it also brings with the joy. We are finishing high school and we want to relate with the life outside and what we can fit in, and I'm really grateful for it.
So we work with the most vulnerable students who cannot afford university education without some of the opportunities you offer them in terms of scholarships and other financial aid support. So you coming here and talking to them is a big, big motivation to them. Especially like those who are in senior 5, knowing what are your admission requirements helps us to push them to work for that. If they don't know what universities require, they don't know what to expect and what to work for. But when they hear from you and understand your university requirements, they concentrate and start working for that. Many of them, they have not yet actually decided what they want to study in the university, because there is a lot of information from everywhere. But once they hear directly from you what programs you offer and what students need to do to join you, it helps them to narrow down their choices. And that is why we appreciate you for really coming and offering such kind of information that you offer.
The most important thing for us, from the time when we recruit young people they come from all 30 districts of Rwanda. Some of them also come from neighboring countries. And one of the most important things for us is to transition them out into great places, great institutions like yours. And I think one of the greatest successes of, I would say, ASYV is to put our trust in those that probably very few people would have trusted in. So the young people we recruit are probably some of the most deserving young people, but also some of the young people who probably had the least opportunities. And so we try to take them through this whole 4-year process of ASYV, hoping that all of you take on the relay. And you prepare them for the jobs of tomorrow, for the jobs of today. And so this is something we're extremely grateful for partnering with all of you. I love the saying that we succeed locally because we think globally. So for us to be able to think big with you, partnering with you, and enabling young people to become an answer and a response and a solution to Rwanda's problems or to the region's problems. So that's what we are all working for. And thank you so very much for being partners with us for that.